I am Vlad Hondru, and together with my supervisor Radu Tudorionescu, we are thrilled to present a framework for fuel call model stealing. In our work, we adopt a realistic scenario in which a capable model called teacher is available through an API in a black box regime, while an attacker intends to extract the knowledge into a student model. In a typical black box regime, we don't have access to any information about the training, such as the architecture or hyperparameters, the gradients, nor the data. We also add another constraint in which the number of queries is limited. The first step in our framework is to generate suitable training data using a text-to-image diffusion model. We adopt diffusion models as they are capable generative models that synthesize realistic and diverse images. The prompt is used to generate a class-specific image. Once the proxy dataset is created, we can only obtain the label from the teacher for only a part of the sample. To this end, we propose an active learning strategy to informatively select the samples. This is achieved by assigning a sampling probability to each example given by the distance in the embedding space of the student to the nearest centroid of class clusters. After the student was trained with the labeled subset of the proxy data, we introduce a self-paced learning method to assign pseudo-labels to the remaining unlabeled samples. We employ a nearest neighbor algorithm in the latent space of the student, in which the closest samples are searched and a majority voting scheme on the labels is done. A filter is also applied in which the pseudo-label must be equal to the class which the sample was generated with. Finally, we further optimize the student with all the data. In the paper, we carry out experiments on various datasets generated with multiple diffusion models. Furthermore, we utilize different architecture and compare ourselves with state-of-the-art methods. The results demonstrate that our method performs significantly better in most scenarios. Thank you very much for listening, and we highly encourage you to check our work if you are interested in this domain.